Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a fun new feature on the WhatsApp PC app, sending stickers. Stickers add a personal touch to your chats, and with this new update, it's easier than ever to express yourself. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. If you haven't updated it yet, make sure to do so for the best experience. Once you're in, navigate to the chat where you want to send a sticker. This could be a conversation with friends, family, or even colleagues, whatever suits your mood. Next, look for the smiling face icon on the bottom of the chat window. This icon is your gateway to a whole world of fun stickers, so go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll see several options pop up. Click on the Stickers tab. This is where the magic happens. You'll find a variety of awesome stickers ready for you to choose from. Browse through the collection to find the sticker that perfectly captures what you want to say. Whether it's a funny expression, a cute animal, or something festive, you're bound to find something that fits. Once you've found the sticker you want, simply click on it, and it will be sent instantly to the chat. Easy, right? Your friends are sure to love it. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a sticker on WhatsApp using your PC. So go ahead, get creative, and let your conversations come to life with these lively stickers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.